Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is your guy Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And if this is your first time rocking with this channel, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can rock with me and get more great content. But on this video right here, this is for the people who have a Samsung Galaxy A50 and is looking for a great case. Well, guess what? The good people at Poetic sent me their case lineup. So enough of me yapping, it's time to make it happen. Let's get it!
Tanna so official, Tanna so made, Tanna so real, Tanna so paid, Tanna so raw, Tanna be the shit, Tanna so official, Tanna so lit.
Now the first Poetic case that we're going to check out for the A50 is the Poetic Carbon. Now as far as the packaging goes, man, got the classic Poetic design in the background on the case. The logo, that's so damn familiar to a lot of us and everything, it's pretty damn cool. Then when you flip it around and everything, on the sticker right there, it tells you the name of the case and more design stuff on the back and all that. Then at the bottom, it tells you where it was made in China. Shout out to China. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So let's get this boy outside the box. Let's get it. Now inside the box, you're greeted with this Poetic card right here. And when you flip it around, it'll tell you to go to the website to go ahead and get your mystery gift. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then at the bottom, man, it gives you all of the social media contacts to Poetic. But as for the case though, let's get it. It comes in with this foam padding on the inside and everything. Yes, sir, yes, sir. This one is called Carbon because of the nice carbon fiber design on the back along the sides, which is pretty damn lit. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then on the inside, you got some Poetic branding right there and also a pattern to absorb the shock. Now let's go ahead and put my Samsung Galaxy A50 in here and see how it looks. Well, all right. Here's the Poetic Carbon on the Samsung Galaxy A50. This right here is looking pretty damn sweet. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Man, oh man, oh man. Let's go ahead and take a tour. Now for the bottom cutouts, you got your headphone jack on deck, USB-C charger port, and your speaker and noise canceling microphone cutouts. Cut out to perfection. Yes, sir, yes, sir. And on the right side of the case, you get all three buttons, the volume rocker and the power on/Bixby button. All are raised and easy to touch and everything, which is pretty damn cool. Now at the top of the case right there, you got your noise canceling microphone that's on the top. And on the left side of the case is nothing because there's nothing there, but that's okay. Man, this case right here is pretty official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now on the back of the case, you got your 3 camera cutouts, which is pretty damn sufficient and everything. Let's see how deep the groove is. Yeah, that's a nice amount of protection for there. Then on each side, the left and right, you got a beautiful arched carbon design, which is pretty damn lit. No question about it. Also, you got a nice little design that's indented up there. Man, it's a very nice touch. The same design is at the bottom. Man, Poetic, this carbon case is sick. Now the next Poetic case I'm gonna take a look at is called the Guardian. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Same packaging as the first case and everything, but it gives you instructions on how to install your phone inside the case. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So let's go ahead and make it happen with this boy. Let's get it. The first thing you'll see inside the case is this installation guide, which is pretty easy to read and pretty damn lit, which is cool. Then when you flip it over, it also gives you a free gift. So you gotta go to the site and go ahead and claim your free gift. Now as far as the case goes, here it is right here. This is a 2-piece case. So let me get this boy separated so we all can go ahead and make this stuff happen. All right, there it is, family. The Poetic Guardian installed on the Samsung Galaxy A50. Man, oh man, oh man. For a maximum protection case, this is a very, very good looking case. Usually on max protection cases, they all pretty much look the same, all bulky and heavy. Not this one right here. Let's take a tour. Now on the back, look at the damn design at the bottom. That right there is 100% lit with the Poetic branding right there. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then the camera cutout stands out. Let's see how deep it is. Let's get it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Maximum protection on your cameras. Nothing's gonna happen to your cameras in this case. Then at the corners right here, man, more protection. Added rubber bumpers were installed on this case. Man, this is what's up. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now let's take a trip to the bottom and see the cutouts. Look at the cutouts, people. All of them have flaps. The headphone jack has a flap, nice. The USB-C connector has a flap, very nice. And the cutout for the microphone and the speaker are absolutely perfect. Now on the right side of the phone right here where the buttons are, man, nice raised buttons so you won't get them mixed up and everything. They are labeled as well. Yes sir, yes sir. Now on the top of the case right there, you have the noise canceling microphone cutout. Ha, pretty damn lit. And of course there's no buttons or anything on the left hand side of the phone, which is pretty cool. Man, this is a very, very good looking case. Now on the front of the phone, it has a contrast between the shiny plastic material and the rubber. I find that combination fire. Yes sir, yes sir. It looks pretty damn good. No question about it. Then at the top, it has a nice little chamfered cutout for the camera and everything, and the speaker. Very, very nice touch. This case right here is well designed. Great job, Poetic. Now let's get to the next case. And last, but not certainly least, is the Revolution case. Yes sir, yes sir. Same packaging and everything as the other cases and everything. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's get this boy outside the box. The first thing you see inside the box, you're greeted with an instruction manual / free gift card and everything, mystery gift. Yes sir, yes sir. Then on the back, more instructions about how to install the case correctly. Now let's go ahead and get this boy popping. All right, the Revolution is installed. Let's go ahead and take a tour. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's start with the back. Man, the back has a lot going on. This is a max protection case and all that. And as you can see, people, this one right here is no joke. Now, as far as the back goes, man, the main feature of this case right here is the kickstand. Yes, indeed. So you can go ahead and sit this boy up if you're on your lunch break or whatever and get it cracking. Get your Netflix on, your Sling on, or whatever. So that's pretty damn good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, also, there's a very, very deep camera cutout right here. So nothing at all is going to happen to your wonderful cameras. Then, as you can see the design on the side right there, man, people, that is quadruple protection for your device. And man, this is on all corners. No question about it. Absolutely stellar. Now there are fake rivets right here. These aren't real screws, anything like that, but it's a nice touch. Man, oh man, oh man. This case right here is some serious sauce. Now at the bottom of the case, man, everything's protected. Man, your headphone jack has a flap. USB-C has a flap. Man, and there are accurate cutouts for the noise canceling microphone and the speaker. Now on the right side of the phone or the case, you have the 3 buttons cut out. Yes, indeed, raised to perfection and everything. So you're not gonna get these buttons mixed up at all. Then at the top, you have a cutout for the second noise canceling microphone on the phone. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then on the right-hand side, nothing, because there's nothing there. It's absolutely fine. And on the front right here, man, it's very well protected. Up top, you got a cutout for the speaker and the camera, so nothing will get in the way of your audio or your photos or your selfies or whatever. So it's really, really, really accurately cut out and everything, people. Man, this case right here is a monster. And the plastic screen protector that comes with it, man, feels like glass. Now I want to send a huge shout out for Poetic for sending me the cases to go ahead and give an honest review on. Much kudos and salute to you guys. And if you guys are interested in getting any of these cases, the official links are below in the description. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you heard and like what you saw, please give your guy and Poetic a thumbs up, because that's the dope thing to do. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.